and we danced for hours. She knew that she had me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and first of all, before we get started with this video, just want to say I'm so sorry I haven't posted in over a month. It seems like so long, and I definitely miss uploading for you guys. I've had so many things going on, new projects I'm working on, school starting, all these different things that I need to do before I could work on my YouTube videos, and so I want to say that I'm officially back, and I will be uploading some more fall videos and finishing up our back to school series, which wasn't very long because I didn't upload very much, but at the same time I have a few more videos for you guys, so make sure that you guys subscribe so that you don't miss them, because back to school videos are one of my favorites to make. It's editing out here, and right now I just finished editing this video. I'm kind of going through it all, doing a final check, and today is September 30th, the day that this video goes up. One thing that I noticed is that I didn't really clarify what we are doing in this video. We are going to be doing a rewind, kind of like a setup video for my bullet journal, of like how I set up and how it looks at the end of the month, because I didn't upload it earlier in the month. So that is what this video is going to be. It's going to be a rewind, and I think it works because the theme for this month is music themed. So let's go back to the video. Bye! If you guys do like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Now let's just get on into the video. Let's go! Alright guys, so like I mentioned before, this spread is music themed, so we're going to start off by just drawing a cassette, and I just sketched this out from a spread that I saw online. So I found a cassette, and then I'm also going to just do a little calendar underneath it and keep the spread pretty simple. Now on the left side of the spread cover, I'm just going to make these 3 equal sized boxes and label one events, the next one birthdays, and the next one songs. Make sure that you erase all of your pencil marks, and I just did a drop shadow in each of the 3 colors that I am going to use for this spread. Then just color in your cassette by following what I have on the screen right here, or finding a picture online, and you guys can play around with the different colors. But for this month, I went with green, blue, and purple. Now that's all for this cover page. I find it pretty simple, but it's also really cool, and I think that it'll help tie in the rest of this spread.
One to 2 step, 3 step 4. She's everywhere out on the dance floor. She's everything you could ever want and more. Left in the dust, unless I stuck by you. You're a sunflower.
Alright, and for the next page, we are just going to be doing our habit trackers page. I started this off by just putting a polka dot washi tape on the top, as well as I wrote out September habits in calligraphy. And if you guys don't know how to do calligraphy, I have a video on that, so I'll put that in the eye in the corner. And after you're done with your title, make sure that you erase all of your pencil marks. Now I'm using my Tombow brush pen, and this doesn't spread very easily, so it's pretty easy to just erase it right after you're done. Now we're going to start on the habit tracker part with just making a bunch of calendars. I'm going to use my Papermate Inkjoy gel pen, and I am just going to outline these boxes in order to make these little calendars that I can fill in every time that I do my habits. So you guys will see this after I show you the finished product, but basically we are just going to make these boxes. Now I decided to do 4 habits, but if you want more, you can just add more onto the page, or if you want to see more ideas, you guys should go check out my other bullet journal videos and Playing with Me's on my channel page, so make sure you guys check that out after you watch this video. Now I'm just going to write down all of the habits on top of the line that I created, as well as write down all of the days of the week. Now this may seem pretty tedious and kind of a long process, however I'm not going to write down all of the numbers of the days, and I'm just going to write it down if I do the habit for that day, so it really evens out. Now that is all for the spread. Let's move on to the right side of the page where we're going to do our monthly memories page. Now, although I'm not showing the full process of me making this spread, this one is very similar to all of the other ones that I've done in my other videos. So if you really want an in-depth tutorial on how to do this monthly memories page, you guys should go check out my other bullet journal videos. Now I'm just going to create a giant box with a drop shadow, and I'm going to number on the left side of the box 1 through 30, and then for each day I'm just going to write down a sentence that kind of describes a snapshot of my day. Now we're going to get into our weekly plans, and I'm going to show you guys some super easy ideas for September or whatever month you guys are on. Now I'm just going to start off with a drop shadow box on the top that says September and then week 1, and for the rest of the days of the week I'm also going to do the same thing but just with alternating colors. So because my theme has 3 colors, green, blue, and purple, I am going to be using purple and blue in this spread, and then I'm going to add some green accents on the other side of the page. Now because September starts on a Sunday, usually I start off all of my spreads on a Monday. However, I wanted to include Sunday as part of it, so instead of having 7 boxes, I had 8. And then I also added some colorful washi tape on the bottom, and that is all for the super easy weekly spread. Let's move on to the other side where I did my monthly playlist page. This is the first time I've ever done this spread, and I think that it is a really cool spread, especially because it's music themed. So what we are going to do is find all of our favorite songs from the month. Because there are 5 weeks in September, I just decided to do 5 different songs, 1 for each week. Now you're going to find all of the album colors and put them onto a document, and I did some trial and error in order to find out what size I should print them out. But once you find that perfect size that fits all of your bullet journal pages, I just decided on these 5 songs, and I'm going to arrange them on the next page. Now I'm just going to cut all of them out and place them all onto my bullet journal. So I created this really easy template in the back for you guys to follow. Basically, I created a 1-inch square, and then I did lines in order to write down what the name of the song was and the author. Then I'm going to place all of the albums onto the 1-inch squares, and they should be pre-measured so you wouldn't have to cut out any of the album cover. And then it's pretty easy to just fill in the rest of it. And then on the side, I just wrote playlist of the month. Now I think I'm going to do this more often, even though my other spreads aren't music themed. However, I really do like this idea, so I think I'm going to do it in the future as well. And the rest of this video, you guys, is just going through the rest of my bullet journal and seeing all the different filled out weekly plans and stuff like that. So the rest of this video is just going to be a montage of the rest of the bullet journal in order to finish up this rewind, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. I know I haven't uploaded in so long. However, I'm going to jump on into some fall videos, and I am so excited. So make sure that you guys subscribe right here on the screen and give this video a thumbs up, as well as check out all of the things linked in the eye. And if you guys want to check out some other Plan With Me videos that I've done for the other months, and I hope to see you guys next week with another awesome video. Bye!